Depression.
Hello, my fellow children.
Of all the places you can be, why are you sitting on my head?
Can I help you?
Sir?
I tried to get him out of my room, but he wouldn't leave. So this is where we're gonna be for today, I guess. Anyways, welcome back to whatever vlog this is. Basically, to get right to the point, I decided to just vlog what I was doing on my half birthday.
Then I saw these roses. I thought they were gonna be for me. I was full of myself that day, apparently. But they weren't. They were just on display. Also, why are there so many measuring cups? I'm counting at least like 15. These dogs are harassing me. Have you celebrated any of your grandchildren's half birthdays before?
Never.
Any of your children?
Nope.
Yourself?
Nope.
I feel so honored.
Hey.
Do you have any tea? That is most definitely not what I meant. Harassment? Are you ready? Go. Wait, we wait for a review in a second. You gotta like this. This is what the makeup gurus do. Oh, you gotta hand on the other way.
Well, what's the thrill in poisoning your body? Because that's really all alcohol is poisoning your body.
It's altering your state and mind for a heightened experience of life. That was a great sentence. You have to admit that.
Who came up with that sentence?
I did. I keep having like really good sentences recently. This is just the knowledge that happens when you turn 20 and a half. Then at about like 4 p.m., it started to snow like really bad. On my way home, I had the fun experience of having my car do a complete 360, 180, 420. It spun a bunch.
2 cakes for me to eat in bed with my hands. Depression. You want some cake? It's vanilla.